and Mac-like in design. Here are all of my favorite new Windows 11 features and how to use them. Now the first feature that I will be talking about is of course the taskbar. So from the previous versions of Windows, we've always been seeing the taskbar on the left. And I'm used to, just moving the mouse to the left and clicking on it. Even with the Windows 11, I've been having some difficulties. I always think that I'm still using the previous versions, so I just move my mouse to the left corner and just click. And I remember now I have to move it to the middle. But it has awesome feature that you can even change it back to the left side if you want. And that I think it's so beautiful of it, and you can see the Mac-like feature from it as you're moving the mouse through the icons down here. Right, so if you want to change it, you just have to right click on taskbar and taskbar settings, then you go to the the taskbar behaviors. Then you have center, you can move it to the left over here. Clicking on it, it just moves automatically. Center just moves automatically. I prefer it at the center, so I'll just leave it this way. I've always been a fan of multitasking, and with Windows 11 I can't complain. It's simply the best. It's always giving me the best options when it comes to multitasking, grouping tabs side by side, and it's even simple. Now when you want to put your tabs or what you're working on side by side, all you have to do is just place your mouse over here. As you're seeing, you could see there are many options. If you want to place it side by side like this, or even like this, all you have to do is you just click on the window that you want your tab or what you're working on to go. So this one, I want the settings to go into the top left corner, so I just click on that, and then the next options are going to appear. You just have to click. If you want this to be right here, you click on that. If you want this to be right here, you just click on that. And if you want this to be right here, just click on that. There, you're good to go. It's simple as ABC. Now if you don't want to do it this way, there is also another way of doing it, and let me show you guys. It's so simple. All you gotta do is you just have to move the window you're working on to the left side, then you put it up. So if you push it up, you're going to see that it's moving over there. You can just leave it over there. The moment you leave it, you're going to see the other tabs on your right side. So if you want to if you want this tab to be here, just click on that. If you want another one to be here, just click on that. There, easy as ABC. With Windows 11, I think it's so far the best. I'm someone who loves keyboard shortcuts. I barely use my mouse whenever I'm using my PC. Now with Windows 11, I think I can complain once again. It just gave me the best out of the best. Now, one thing that I realized about it is if you right click on the folder, you're going to see some options right here. In a traditional way, you could see it from here, right? The copy and everything. But when you right click on any folder in Windows 11, you're going to see the options plus the shortcut key on top of it. So if you want to cut this, you just click over here or use the shortcut combination keys. If you want to paste, if you want to copy, if you want to rename, or if you want to delete. One of the many new and updated features in Windows 11 is the widget menu, an assortment of bite-sized info boxes accessible from the redesigned taskbar. Widgets are essentially a group of small graphical apps quickly accessible directly from the taskbar and designed to provide at a glance information about news, weather, sports results, stocks, and the like. The widget menu can be customized to only show the widgets you want and includes a big search bar that will open results in a new browser window. The look and general content delivery style of Windows 11's widget might be instantly familiar to anyone who used the live tiles functioning in Windows 10 or more recently its news and interest menu. But widgets also appear to share some similarities with the gadgets feature in Windows Vista and 7. These let you add small icons, again showing info like news and headlines and weather, before Microsoft axed them over security fears posed by third-party gadgets. In contrast, Widget, at least for now, is powered purely by Microsoft-owned services such as MSN and Edge browser. Microsoft is making Microsoft Teams meetings even simpler by adding it to Windows 11's Taskbar. Microsoft Teams integration is the flagship feature of Windows 11 and it's now part of the preview build available in the dev channel of Microsoft Insider program. Microsoft Teams integration in Windows 11 is currently called Chat and it's similar to Skype, Meet Now, but the overall experience is significantly better. That's because the Teams Chat app is based on Microsoft Teams 2.0, which is powered by Microsoft Edge Web View. Teams Chat isn't a full-fledged Microsoft Teams client. It simply allows you to manage chat and video calls, otherwise known as Meet. To launch Teams Chat within Windows 11, you need to click that little chat that's here, or you hold down the Windows key, then you press C. Simple as that. The ability to create and access multiple desktops simultaneously is a great utility for Windows 11 users. You can easily create multiple desktops from Task View, its icon located in the taskbar by default. While the previous version of Windows had the Task View feature and allowed the creation of multiple desktops, the options were limited. Windows 11, on the other hand, offers a lot more customizations. But why do you even need a multiple desktop? To be honest, this is an individual preference and cannot be generalized. However, I would like to state the benefits of virtual desktops to help you make an informed decision. First, if you access multiple windows at once, categorizing and separating them makes sense. For instance, you can have work-related windows on one virtual desktop and entertaining apps on tabs and tabs on the other. This helps sort apps, thus it makes it easier for you to focus. You can create different categories as you please and have them on any number of virtual desktops. Secondly, moving windows from one virtual desktop to the other is quite simple. Just drag and drop. This makes working on virtual desktops straightforward. While many may say it complicates things, virtual desktops on Windows 11 makes working a lot simpler.